So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet or how to make half double crochet for beginners. It's a very easy and beginning friendly stitch. If you don't like to use double crochet, it's the best choice in between the single and double crochet if you want to do a simple blanket with different colors or even with one color. So if you want to see how to achieve it, stay tuned. So as usual, you'll find all the information of my yarn and the crochet hook in the description box. I always use one brand. I don't know why. It's not sponsored. It's just since I started crocheting, it's only the brand, mostly the brand I use, and it's Red Heart soft yarn. So holding my thread or my yarn this way, I'm gonna make a circle. So just make a circle like this and then hold this thread under your circle. Okay, so you hold it under your circle, okay, and then you pull through. I'll repeat again, making a circle like this, and then the thread with a short end under the circle, and then I'll insert my hook inside the circle and under the thread I put, and I pull through. I hope it's easy for you to follow. I'll make a chain of 10 just to demonstrate how to make the half double crochet, but then it's up to you how much or how many chains you want to do depending on which project you are making. So now I will yarn over again, holding my thread like this. I will yarn over, means my thread should be on top of the hook, and then the edge of my hook is on the yarn, and I'll pull through, and this is my first chain. Again, I'll repeat, putting my thread on top of the crochet hook, and I will pull. Same thing, we repeat 10 times. Try to make your loops not too tight or not too loose. Okay, so I have 10 here. So for the half double crochet, what I'm gonna do, yarn over again, and now I have one loop on the crochet hook, and then I have 2 loops here. So what I'm gonna do is yarn over, insert my hook in the second loop from my hook, means 1 and 2, not counting the one inside the crochet hook, and then I yarn over and I will insert my hook inside the loop, which is the second one from the hook, pull through the loop. I have 3 loops here, yarn over, pull through all. Again, yarn over, put my hook inside the next loop, pull through. I have 3 loops, pull through all. Again, yarn over, insert in the next loop, pull through all. Again, same thing. You can see how it looks like. It's a pretty stitch. I prefer this half double crochet rather than double crochet, because it looks neater and closer to the single crochet stitch, which looks nice in a project, especially if you use different colors. Now I'm on my last chain, or yeah, chain. So this is the last one, and I'm gonna repeat the same. So this is how it is working the first row. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the second row, and it's gonna be the same thing you repeat in every row, same as the second row. So now we have done the first row. What you're gonna do is chain 2, turn my work, and you see the small spaces here. You have like holes, small holes. That's where you're gonna work your next half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet in each hole. So again, we yarn over, insert my hook in the hole, pull through all, yarn over, same thing, we repeat. This is what you're gonna do in every row, as we said, till the end of your project, whichever it is. Okay, and this is it. So this is how you do half double crochet stitch. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy, especially if you're a beginner. Let me know what you think, and until next time, stay tuned. Don't forget to watch the other videos. Maybe you'll find something useful and some good projects you want to try. Bye bye.